In today's exploration, we delve into the psychology of narcissism, unveiling the fears that deeply unsettle individuals with narcissistic tendencies. This analysis aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of these vulnerabilities, drawing upon psychological research and expert insights to deepen our knowledge beyond the surface-level impressions of fearlessness often associated with narcissism. Inability to manipulate. Narcissists thrive on control, often gained through manipulating others. Their strategies are meticulously designed around their perception of others' emotional states. However, when faced with unpredictability or a lack of emotional feedback, as often seen in neurodivergent individuals, narcissists feel disoriented. This disruption to their control mechanism can trigger distress and aggressive behavior. According to psychological studies, such as those by Dr. Craig Malkin, this reaction stems from their inability to predict and therefore manipulate, leading to heightened anxiety and irrational responses. Fear of exposure. Narcissists often construct a grandiose self-image to mask their insecurities. Exposure of their true selves, particularly their weaknesses or immoral actions, is their Achilles heel. This fear is not just about losing face, but also about the potential loss of the admiration and validation they crave. A study in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology suggests that such exposure can lead to what is known as a narcissistic injury, triggering defensive and sometimes hostile reactions. Strong sense of self in others. Individuals with a robust sense of self-worth and self-identity pose a significant threat to a narcissist's influence. Narcissists often target those they can mold and manipulate. A person with a strong self-concept is resistant to such tactics, rendering the narcissist's usual tools ineffective. Dr. Ramani Durvasula, a licensed clinical psychologist, notes that while narcissists are drawn to individuals with a strong sense of self due to the challenge they present, their inability to dominate such personalities often leads to heightened conflict and eventual withdrawal. Awareness of their self-loathing. Narcissists are known for projecting their insecurities onto others. When someone recognizes this projection for what it is and does not internalize it, the narcissist loses their power. Dr. Carol McBride, in her work on narcissism, emphasizes the importance of understanding this dynamic to maintain one's sense of self and avoid being drawn into the narcissist's emotional turmoil. Authenticity and empathy in others. Authenticity and empathy are qualities that narcissists find both alluring and threatening. They are drawn to empathetic individuals for the attention and care they can provide, yet resent these traits because they cannot genuinely empathize themselves. The transparency and honesty of authentic individuals disrupt the facade that narcissists carefully maintain. Dr. Joseph Burgo, in his research on narcissism, highlights how the presence of authentic individuals can act as a mirror, reflecting back to the narcissist the qualities they lack, which is both unsettling and infuriating to them. In conclusion, while narcissists may project an image of invulnerability and confidence, their fears center around loss of control, exposure of their true selves, and encounters with individuals who possess qualities they lack or cannot manipulate. Understanding these fears is crucial in comprehending the complex psychological landscape of narcissism, providing insights into their behaviors and how they interact with others. This knowledge not only demystifies the often misunderstood nature of narcissism, but also equips individuals with the tools to better navigate relationships with those exhibiting narcissistic traits.